Hello, my name's James Danbury and I'm from Preston Baker Estate Agents in Selby, and today I'm really excited to announce that this great property, number 25 Weeland Road in Eggborough, is being launched to the market and it's available to view for the first time on Saturday the 14th of December. It has a guide price of £300,000 and it's located within this superb village of Eggborough, ideal for commuting, on the A19 to give you access to Selby and York, and also you're 5 minutes away from the M62, which gives access to Leeds, Hull, and also 10 minutes away from the A1. So let's go and have a look around. So 25 Weeland Road has been built by the current owners and it's been completed over the last 12 months. As you can see from the kitchen area, it's been really stylishly done. Grey kitchen units and these beautiful surfaces as well. This kitchen area really is the hub of the home. It's got these lovely double doors at the back here which open up into the garden at the back. Fully integrated appliances throughout as well. It's just an absolutely cracking room. So let's go and take a look at the other rooms on the ground floor. So here's the main family living space for the property. As you can see, it's a great size room. You can fit a great size sofa in here. There's also this bay window to the front, which is south facing and just bathes the entire room in sunlight. Really nice room. Nice finishing touches as well by the vendors when they've constructed the property, like these solid oak doors which run throughout the entire property. So yeah, let's go and have a look at the first floor. Okay, so we're here on the first floor landing. It gives access to 3 double bedrooms and the family bathroom, and there's a further staircase leading up to the second floor. I'll show you the master bedroom to start with. Okay, so the master bedroom is a good double room. The space for really good sized wardrobe, dressing table, etc. South facing, so again with the bay window at the front here, really takes advantage of the light levels in this room. Really nice bright room. And to my right here is the ensuite bathroom, which I think you'll probably agree has been finished to an incredible standard. Let's take a look. Okay, so as I explained, all the bedrooms in the property are all double rooms. We've had a look at the main master bedroom at the front of the property, and this is the second guest room. Again, plenty of space for a double bed and a range of wardrobes and other furniture in here. It's a good spacious room. Okay, so as you probably gathered, the third bedroom is currently used by the vendor's young son, but it's a good double room. You'd easily get a double bed in here and a range of wardrobes. The room's at the rear of the property, which overlooks the rear garden. So we're now on the top floor of the property. With this property, you've really got the choice of which bedroom to use as your master bedroom. As I showed downstairs, you've got a great double room with the ensuite, but again on the top floor, personally, I really like this room. It's a lovely spacious bedroom, bathed in sunlight with the 3 Velux windows, and you've got a cracking ensuite as well next door. So the property is really nicely set back from the road. You've got a really long sweeping drive, which gives you plenty of parking. I'd say you'd probably get 5 or 6 or even 7 cars on here if you really wanted to. Behind me here is the main lawned garden, split into 2 levels, so absolutely ideal for a family, and it's completely private at the back as you're surrounded by bungalows. Okay, so there's 25 Weeland Road in Eggborough. As you'll probably agree, it's an absolutely cracking property. I'm sure it's going to appeal to a wide range of buyers. So just in summary, we've got 4 double bedrooms, beautiful kitchen diner downstairs opening up into the garden. It sits on a really generous plot, this property. Unlike a lot of newly built properties, the owners haven't scrimped on space outside, so you've got a great sized garden and also a drive for a number of cars. Really spacious throughout the entire property as well. You've got nice landing areas which gives you a real good feeling of space, and the one thing that really strikes you throughout this whole property is how light it is. So come and visit us on Saturday the 14th of December. Call the office now to get your viewing booked in, and with a guide price of £300,000 for this property, we'll expect a lot of interest. So we'll see you then.